Hello my lovely people, this is your girl Akpeje. Today I'm here to share with you how I made this soft and delicious yellow sugar bread. Have you ever eaten this bread before? It's very sweet and delicious. So guys, I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1/4 cup of powdered milk, 1 teaspoon of nut milk, pinch of salt. Then I mix everything together very well. This is my wet ingredient. I'm using 1 cup of fresh milk, that's warm fresh milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I mix it with my spoon till everything has come together. Now I'm using my hand. Then I will mix this very well and transfer it to my work office and mix it very well. I will use my hand to massage it like 10 minutes. So I will be massaging this dough until the dough is soft and smooth, just like this. I'm going. At this point you need macho. So now the dough is soft and smooth. Then I'll transfer it into the bowl. I add some oil there. I'll just use the dough to roll inside so that the oil will do on it. Then I'll cover it with my rubber or cling film and another napkin to cover it and let it rest like 30 to 45 minutes. So the dough has doubled the size. Then I'll punch the face of the dough to remove the bubbles from inside. Now I'll transfer it to my soft officer again. Then I'll use my hand to spread it small before using my rolling pin. So I'll just roll it and turn it and roll it to make it very smooth. Guys, to make bread is very easy. Just know the ingredients you are using and the measurement, that's all. It's not hard at all. I hope you are going to try this bread. Trust me, it's very nice and sweet. So now it's time to roll it, to lock it and let it rest and start baking it. So I'll roll it and lock it, roll it and lock it. Somebody tap, roll it and lock it. So this is the last place I roll it. I come to here, then I'll lock it very well so that if I'm baking it, it won't open. So I put it inside the oven like 20 to 25 minutes. Then this is what I have here. Isn't it looking yummy and nice? It's very nice. It's looking very nice. I hope you try this and tell me at the comment section. I hope so. Try this and you know what I'm talking about. It's very delicious. So this is how it look like. So let me grab my knife, my bread knife, and cut it and see how inside is. Ta-da! So this is how the bread inside look like. Inside is looking very nice. And trust me, this bread is very sweet too. If you eat it, you will never buy another bread outside again. You only do this bread for your family every day. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Your support, your caring, I really appreciate it. Keep subscribing, keep it up, love each other. Thank you so much, and to see you in my next video. Bye.